All right, yeah.
What kinds of things are boring to you?
Such as
Please speak in the mic. Mic करीब करें अपने. Yeah.
such as very slow moving a movie which have a vague meaning. I find boring them.
Okay, whenever they use what kinds of things, what type of things, signpost your answer. What kind of things are boring to you? First of all, the movies which are very slow, they are quite boring for me. On the other hand, some of the motivational books which discuss the same idea in several pages, such type of books are really boring. And finally, something like that. So use signpost language, first of all, secondly, finally, and all that. Now answer this question. What do you do when you feel bored?
I do something new which make me happy. Mostly I do studying and using social media.
Okay, now this answer is very, very short and you should speak more. Like answer ko magro nahi lana. Answer karna hai pure question ka. Okay, let's go on. Do you think school is boring?
No, not really, because
Why not? School is boring. Yes, I think school is boring. When I was at
Right.
school, I used to sing a song. An Ghan, Master Maran Madrase Tan. Okay. So, yeah. Do you think school is boring?
no, not really. School is not boring.
All right. Your answers are not appropriate. थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस पैदा करें, ठीक है? फिर बात बनेगी, ऐसे मुश्किल होगा. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.